Well, hello. How are you all? Firstly, I just wanted to apologise for not having released a video for the last couple of weeks. There is a valid reason for that, not because I've run out of drive or anything, but as I said before, things change in people's lives, including me. So very shortly, I'm in the process of being made redundant. So yeah, not had a lot of focus to carry on with the projects. They will get finished as soon as I get myself sorted. I want no sob story or anything, just telling you how it is. I just want to keep you up to date that I've not forgotten and the projects are not complete and they will get finished. As soon as I got myself sorted, because obviously I can't afford to keep buying materials now, so they've come to a full stop at the moment. I do have some materials left over, so I will carry on as much as I can. But obviously, please, when you subscribe, press the notifications bell, because as you're fully well aware, I don't want to teach you to suck eggs. As soon as I get a video up, then you'll obviously get notified about it, and you'll know. So if you want to keep seeing content like I have been creating, please let me know. Let me know in the comments if you like what I'm doing. And I'll try my very best to deliver some content to you. I won't put just any old thing out there. I think, well, that will do, because that's not good enough and it's not what I would like to see from people that I subscribe to. So I get it. So please be patient with me. I think you are very patient waiting for my videos anyway, and I really do appreciate that. I really, really do appreciate that. So bear with me. And before I go, because this is just a little update, I would just like to say thank you so much to each and every one of you that have already subscribed to me and you've stayed with me. I love you so much, you guys. I just wouldn't do it if you weren't watching, and I love that. And thank you to all the new subscribers and all the lovely comments that you've left me. So bear with me, press the little notification bell so you know when I've done something, so to speak. So I will keep yours. As soon as I get myself sorted, you'll be the first to know about it. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you soon.